The wireless earbuds have become very popular lately, and Xiaomi, through their sub-brand Redmi, have decided to join in on the party with the Redmi Airdots. Let's see what kind of quality you get for less than 30 bucks. Hello everybody, my name is George, this is GS Tech. So let's start by quickly taking a look at the packaging of the Redmi Airdots. It's a pretty simple looking package, as you can see. Everything is written in Chinese in my case because I ordered them from AliExpress. When we open the box, you can see inside the charging box of the Redmi Airdots, and inside here we have two additional pairs of ear taps depending on the size of your ears. On the back there are some leaflets, and also there's space for the micro USB charging cable, but in my case it didn't come with one, although it's not a big problem because I have scores of those lying around in my home. I still think it's a shame that they're not including the charging cable. When we open the charging and carrying box of the Airdots, you can see the two buds inside. Right now they're charging, and when they're charging, this red LED is on, as it is right now. The case itself looks nice, but I have to admit that it doesn't feel very nice. The plastic is pretty cheap. There's also a squeaking sound you can hear. All in all, I think the quality is the same as the price tag. So let's take a quick look at the main specs. The weight of each earbud is about 4.1 grams. The charging case battery is 300 mAh. The single earbud battery is 40 mAh. The earphones charging time is 1.5 hours. The charging case time is about 2 hours. The music playback is about 4 hours, and they support Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity. The earbuds fit pretty nicely. They're quite comfortable to wear because they're very light. You hardly notice that you have anything in your ears. And also the sound is pretty good, both for music and for calls. There is a slight sound delay or lag. It's probably about 2 or 3 tenths of a second. Where I've noticed it mostly is while playing games. It's not a deal breaker in my opinion, but it's there and you can feel it. When you plug in the USB charging cable, a red LED comes on that notifies you that the charging has started. Both earbuds have small LEDs that are built into them. When the LEDs flash in white color, it means that the earbuds are on. Once you put the earbuds back into the charging case, as you can see, the LEDs start to flash in red color. Also, both earbuds have small buttons that are built on the side of them. The buttons are soft, clicky and easy to press. And that's how you operate them, you switch them on and off. As far as connectivity goes, I've had absolutely no problems connecting the Redmi Airdots to the phones that I own. My current phones are a Honor View 20 and a Pocophone F1, and they both have connected successfully with the Redmi Airdots. The sound quality has been pretty good and the headphones can get quite loud. The promised battery life is about 4 hours on a single charge for playing music and about 3 hours of talk time, and that's pretty much what I've gotten out of them. Also, with the charging cradle, you get an additional 2 charges, so the battery life can be extended to up to 12 hours. If I have to talk about pros and cons of the Redmi Airdots, the pros of these headphones has been the pretty low price, the decent sound quality and the good battery life. The cons for me are the materials that Xiaomi have used, which are pretty cheap, and that of course reflects on the pretty cheap price of the headphones itself, and the fact that there's no charging cable included in the standard packaging. And so today we unboxed and took a quick look at the Redmi Airdots. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video today. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you all again in my next video. And until then, bye bye.